Mimi! Ella! Ella, please stop! Why are you fighting?
Why will you be fighting in school?
Why are you fighting?
Stop! Why will you be fighting? Go back, let's go.
What's wrong with you?
Don't do that again.
Come on,
Sir, please, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, please.
It's
So
fine,
sorry,
it's
so
fine.
sorry.
Ella!
Stop it now. Don't do that
Sorry.
again. Why will you be fighting in school?
Let's not fight, okay?
What's my brief age doing? Tomato sauce. Oh. You're watching cartoon?
Yes.
Wow, that's good. So how are you? Please sit down. Hey, Ella.
Yes, Dad.
That reminds me. What you did today in school is not a good thing to write about. Why were you fighting with your classmate?
Dad, I don't want to fight with her. She pushed me.
She pushed you. But that's not enough reason for you to fight. You should have ignored and leave.
I can't ignore this one because the character she gave to me was so bad. So,
Ella, next time, don't fight in school.
okay.
It's not good to fight.
Alright, Dad.
Okay, come to me. I love you, okay?
I love you too.
So have you eaten?
Yes.
That's good. Alright, enjoy your cartoon.
Mimi,
Mom,
why were you fighting with your classmate in school today?
Mom, Ella is not like that girl.
Haba, you should love your neighbor as yourself.
But Mom, Ella is not my neighbor.
And she's your classmate. You should treat everyone out there with equal love, my darling. Am I understood?
It is fine, Mom. But Ella should respect herself because I will not take any circumstances for her.
My princess, come on, just be a good girl out there, right? Am I understood? Hey! Good afternoon, Lani.
What is good about the afternoon? What did they? You are here painting your face, or what do they call it? My rents, when are you giving me the money?
Ma, as soon as possible.
As soon as possible,
I'm
you
trying
say.
my best.
You are trying. You will pay as soon as possible. You know what? Listen to me. I gave you 3 days. 3 days I said to give me my rent. If not, I will press you out of this compound. Nonsense.
Landlady, please. I'm trying my best. The country is hard.
Mom, why is that woman saying?
Ah, come on, my darling.
She didn't know how to tell you stop about the same. You just shouting for yourself.
Babe, come on, stop it. She's a landlady, okay? Don't say that about her. She's a nice person. Come on, smile for mommy. Mimi, my darling. I love you, baby. It's okay. Yeah, go back to your assignment, alright? Excuse me, sir. Sir. Excuse me.
Oh,
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. Mimi's mom, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, I see.
I just want to apologize for what my daughter did to your daughter Ella. Please, I'm really sorry.
Come on. It's normal. You know, they are kids. Most time we expect something like this from them. And I also want to apologize to you for what my daughter Ella did to your daughter. So I'm deeply sorry. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's alright. Take care. Bye-bye.
I've never seen such a generous man like this in my life before. He's so handsome, so caring, and he knows more about kids. Not like Miss Dad that left me because I told him I was pregnant. I wish God gives me a man like Ella's dad. I would have been a proud woman today. But it's fine. Every disappointment, they say it's a blessing.
Guy, why you not your chef make you bring drink come now?
Like, I don't understand. Now, chef, see they give you drink for this house since.
Maybe they go collect for fridge. But we dey enjoy for outside now, abi?
So good, they enjoy. I just they look, you know, say go they argue, blind argument. I tell you, say there's nothing special about Chelsea. And so you talk, say Chelsea is the best club ever. See, anywhere of Sime goes, I feel along.
Pato, calm down. Now here we feel die for here. You dey hear me so? What you dey? Wait till they even enter your head self. Bomb dey your head. You dey talk say Chelsea is not. As far as football is concerned, Chelsea remain the best club in England. What do they talk? So we like this now. Osimhen when we say they used to brag like this now. So today like this, man, you just wake up, they come decide say and they want sign Osimhen. So you don't go Man U.
Bro, even though me Liverpool sign Osimhen, I will automatically become a fan of Liverpool. 100% good.
Your football career don't die.
I know that. Why you talk like that?
Now yeah, it's like you not go even enjoy all these matches say they enjoy for us. See this guy won't score. This guy, you not go enjoy back. You don't go.
And why you feel so?
Baba, you know I don't really understand you. You know come Chelsea. Like Chelsea, you go.
You Chelsea not be club. Chelsea not be club.
Oh yeah, move forget that side.
Not open my eyes.
No wahala.
Sure.
I like Chelsea till like that. Move leave that side. I never see the alert of the 50,000 you say you want to send me that yesterday.
50k when I was press you yesterday, you never see the alert. So now like this you will continue to beg me, you not go work. Your mates not they work. Who should be you never see the alert
Be
of
like
50K.
say you dey see me finish oh.
Sure.
Patrick, you dey see me finish oh. Can't be like this we plan at those days oh. I for not allow you progress, leave me oh. I allow you progress like this time, make they press me money, you got the gala they give me.
You allow me progress, leave you. You yourself, not the progress. See, the way they be me so. If woman say make it be boyfriend like this, you just say go fit they afford the money.
Wait till woman get to offer. Me like this now they pray they give you, say make you succeed. Woman fit pray for you. Now let big the night go the hope of they give you.
Well,
you make up collect to pray.
Okay, what's that they get from your body?
Me when beside they pray for you. Not my prayer, you think they succeed so.
This guy, you dey beg they get pride. You, this boy.
Yeah, leave am, no wahala. If I not be you, who I go be? My go thief. Guy, run me the 50k, sure?
Becky, run me the 50K.
No wahala. I like in as I say you won't say the 50,000. If you call me any kind name,
Yeah, all this
problem
shit.
not do.
Yes, boy.
Dayo! Oga dey call you. Yes, sir.
Where were you when I was calling you?
Oga, I be dey back dey do akikiri kimigo.
What is Akekere Kimigumewu?
Oga, you know akikiri mego. Na that.
It's okay. I'm taking Ella to school, and I want the both of you to take care of the compound.
Okay, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Open the gate.
Ella. No waste time if you come. You get why.
and Mimi and Small.
What are they doing there?
Maybe they're looking for a ride to take Mimi to school.
I guess so.
Yes, Dad, please can you let them in?
It's alright, my princess. Anything for you.
Okay, thank you, Dad.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. You?
I'm good.
Ella, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Mimi, I.
Oh, she's fine, okay?
Mimi, how are you?
She's usually like this when she's not too happy, so sorry about that.
Oh, it seems you are taking Mimi to school.
Yes, sir. Actually, we are actually waiting for a ride, but none has come yet.
I don't know. Maybe Mimi can. I don't know if Mimi can go with us.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Mimi, please thank you to Uncle now. Thank you so much.
Get inside the car.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Obio, how far? Dayo. Hey, you don't cook finish. Should I say I don't cook finish? So you know say as Oga dey, so after Oga na you be second command for this place. You don't supposed to carry my food, come give me. What they worry you? Man, I carry food come meet you for gate. Why can't they shout like dog? So you know say as the CSO of this place, you supposed to not carry my food, come give me. You dey misbehave. Now you pay me for this company. Why you dey shout like dog? Now you pay me for this company. Why can't they shout for me say whether if I don't cook finish, they give me money for. After Oga, you know say I will be second command for this place. I dey only employ you. See, make I warn you and listen to me. You see that food wey you dey carry, they come give me. Put meat. Not be all those bone you package, they come give me as say na dog dey get. See, I root o. Come over here. Why they shout like dog? I dey shout like dog. If no be dog, where you be? As in dey the gate, no be any food when I carry come give you, na you go show up. You suppose to dey complain. Nice one. I no blame you. Now, Oga wey employ sexy boy now. Me sef, I no blame you. Now, Oga go and employ Agbudu for this place, and now I blame. They fit come this company and thief small pikin pass comot now, and they no go know who thief am. You go just dey sleep for gate. Wait, see, that come for you. Now, wetin you come here now? Wetin you come here now? Na Agbudu na you be. Agbudu wait. Agbudu na you be. No, if you have a shift, come make you tell me. Na Agbudu. Madam, that your boy come here again. Madam, that your dey here. Idiot. That's go the world for the proper animal.
So like I said, I will always help you to pick Mimi from school.
Thank you so much.
Is that okay with you?
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
It's alright.
Such a kind person. Thank you so much.
It's alright.
Why are you outside? And why is our bags outside?
Mimi.
Onome, what is happening? Come on, talk to me. What is it? What is happening?
The lady asked us to evacuate the compound. She gave us good notice.
Oh, I'm so sorry for that. I wasn't aware that you have some outstanding bills to cover. So, how much is the money? Let's see how we can sort it out.
It's late, my friend. She said she no longer wants us in her compound and we should leave.
But why?
I don't know. Maybe because the rent is overdue.
Okay, fine. How can I see your landlady? Let me talk to her and maybe she will understand. Excuse me, I have a call. Hello? Yeah.
You useless woman! I told you to leave my house and you are still here. Do you want me to call the police on you? Before I go inside, I'll come back. Make sure you leave this house. Patrick!
Jennifer!
Patrick, where is my daughter? Where is my daughter, Patrick?
The way you abandoned? The daughter you couldn't take care of? You should be ashamed of yourself. Shame on you. Irresponsible mother like you. Onome, take your bag, and let's leave here.
Patrick, you go nowhere. Give me my daughter. Patrick, will you give me my daughter?
Take your bags. Take your bags. Go inside, go inside.
Baby, go inside. Please, I'm really sorry for all the pains, trauma I've caused you today. Please, I'm really sorry.
It's fine. I'm good.
Thank you so much for your understanding. If I may ask, do you in any way know my landlady before now?
Jennifer is my ex.
So, are you trying to tell me that my landlady is the biological mother of your daughter, Ella?
Yes, she is.
So what really happened?
Jennifer abandoned my daughter. If not God, my daughter would have been dead by now.
Oh, yeah.
Nurse! Doctor! Raise your leg, raise your leg. Doctor! Nurse! Sorry. Doctor! She's Doctor! Doctor, please excuse me, sir. How is my wife?
See me in my office.
Okay, doctor. Doctor, how is my wife?
Young man, sorry to say, your wife is in hard labor. I think she finds it difficult to feed well during her months of pregnancy. So she loses strength. She was unable to push.
So, doctor, what can we do now? I mean, what can we do to assist her?
Young man, the only assistant I can render right now is for you to deposit the sum of 200,000 naira so that we can carry out CS session.
Okay, doctor. Carry on with the CS. I will bring the money in a few minutes time.
We don't do that here. We have done that to a lot of people. They turn down their promises, so we don't do that.
Please, doctor. You have to help me. Help me to save the life of my wife and my unborn child. Please.
Alright. Please, keep to your promise.
I will. Thank you very much. I will, doctor.
Nurse Carol?
Mama, well done.
Welcome, bros.
Please, I need pure water.
Okay, how many?
Just one.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
God, where will I go from here? Where will I see such huge amount of money from? Huh? God, please help me. The life of my wife and my unborn child is at stake. Who will I meet? How will I get such money from? What will I do? Who will I meet? Huh? I think I should go and sell my properties. Even if I sell those properties, it will not be able to raise such amount of money. But at least whatever I raise, I can start from there. Yes, I have to sell those properties. Doctor, here's the deposit.
How much is there?
I was able to raise the sum of 150,000 naira.
150,000. How about the balance?
Doctor, I will bring the balance as soon as possible.
It's alright.
Thank you very much.
But please keep to your promise.
I will.
Alright, wait.
My love. My love, what is it again? I have told you not to worry. I have to do what I did to save your life and that of our daughter.
But you shouldn't have said those things. You shouldn't.
I know, my love. But that is the only way I can raise such amount of money. What is important is your life and that of our daughter. With time, I will get those properties back. My love, this is not the time for this. You have to rest. Remember what the doctor said, that you need some rest. You should be sleepy by now. Please, my love, sleep. Please, my love. Please. Thank you.
think I can continue this marriage. What kind of man is this? A man that cannot take care of his family is not worth calling a husband. Jennifer, this is not the kind of life you want for yourself. I'm done. I'm no longer interested in this marriage. I'm done.
But as far as I'm concerned, Jennifer will not in any way come close to my daughter.
Patrick, please calm down, okay? I understand your pains. I understand what you've been through. I've gone through that same road. Please, I really want you to calm down. Please. Please. Calm down.
It's alright. Please excuse me, I just want to be alone.
I'm sorry.
Pato, my guy! You go see me for hotel today, not be shy. So welcome, bro.
Thank you. Miles, when you come to the house?
Baba, that one, I never know that one for now. Might see they enjoy my hotel first now. The bill never still expire now.
May just enjoy your hotel. Miles, what will be the difference between hotel and the house? I don't know why you won't just spend the rest of your life for hotel. I think the house will bite you. Huh?
Baba, may you calm down, calm down. I'm a young boy. I need to change my grease. Make my waist free. You know that sound, sure?
And this reason I make you no want marry soon. Now the reason why you no want marry now be this.
You don't marry. You when they talk. You don't marry.
What that mean don't marry?
You don't marry.
Okay, wait. Even those are never married, so. But me, I get beautiful daughter for her.
So pikin now don't become achievement. Where you dey for constitution? Say if you get pikin na achievement. That pikin where you dey talk so if I won't get to that, I will get.
If you don't get today, I go. Oh, yeah, try get one first now.
I never ready.
You for try get one.
If I don't ready, I will get am.
Small 200k when I put for your account, so now you won't just lavish for it.
And if you finish, I'll go collect another one.
You calculate on that one.
I'll go collect.
Anyway, let's keep that aside. There is this beautiful lady in my house right now.
They talk and say where this thing they come from.
How?
Patrick, my guy, my Rigi. God, the advice is say marry. So like this one, you don't finally put woman for us. My God. I beg give me hand. Now man you be.
See, guy. What's the person they think? The one when they think they always they different. You see that girl in my house, I was only trying to help her.
Help her. King of help. Patrick the help them they go. See the help for us. I go the help for hotel.
See what they go to tell me.
Who is just the help me?
This better the ever the change. You
My man. No worry, eh? Now 3 days I remain for you. Once I finish her for you, finish her call, has come collect my money. Then I'll see our wife.
You know the shame when they see how they come collect money. You they work for me.
You don't see me finish. Easy. I see the work now. I'm not worker.
No,
Abi, you think say easy for senior man like me like this? I'm gonna beg a real guy.
I go give you work.
Give you work. Give me money, not give me work.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Jaman, what are you doing with knife and the big spoon?
I was cooking, that's why.
You're cooking. Cooking what? Knife to make tea. My friend, go and keep that to this side. You behave like bush boy. Ha. Your food. You have your food already. Okay, you have your tea already. I hope you guys enjoy your tea.
Yes, thank you so much.
I do, Dad.
The tea is so sweet.
So, when are your exams coming up?
2 weeks from now.
2 weeks from now?
Yes.
Okay, this is what you will do for me. I want you to concentrate on your studies. And whosoever that comes first among the both of you, I have a surprise for the person.
Wow. Daddy, you buy me a big car if I took first.
Abba, is that not too much?
Mommy, don't worry. If I carry first, you also buy me a car.
When I'm here, I want to take the first position. I'm not even sure.
Don't worry. After I finish carrying the first position, I won't give you a car.
It's okay. Be your sister's keeper. Right? Alright guys, please, table manners. Go back to your food. Please.
Patrick?
Oh, my home is sweet. Home is sweet. How home not was sweet? You for spend the rest of your life on the hotel now.
I better forget that one. Where's our wife?
Hey, see, guys, stop it. I can't remember telling you that I have a wife.
Huh? What is the difference between you and a married man? Guy, come here, come show me something, sure? Wait, before I forget, also na cook.
No, we not cook. We not cook.
I know, say Patrick, you. Like now your character before. You know if you tell me truth. Well, I know my way to the kitchen. I go inside.
Abeg, come on for here. See, now can I go serve food? See, how shall I give you food for that kitchen? No.
How I concern you? Which one be chef? Chef, they give me food for your house. Oh man, let me go and eat. Ella, how are you? Brendo. Ella is becoming a very beautiful girl.
Ella, how are you? Welcome your auntie.
Before then, let me go and ease myself, free my tummy, then go into the kitchen. See now, food carry the come. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth.
See this guy. You come here, see now give the key for
Now my guy house I come.
There.
Sir, you sent for me.
Oh, you are here.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you? Okay, I only want to introduce a friend of mine to you.
Okay.
Yes.
Where is he?
Just hold on. He's using the restroom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now kitchen direct.
Mice?
Onome, what are you doing here?
You, what are you doing?
You were asking me what am I doing here? What am I doing here?
Wait. What is going on here? It seems the both of you know each other.
Yes.
No.
Yes. I think we have met before. Maybe in the church. Or somewhere I can't really recall.
You see? When I told you that I don't have anything to do with this girl, you were doubting.
I also.
You know her.
Let me go to the kitchen.
Okay, that is just it.
Yes.
I only want to introduce you to him.
Excuse me, I have something to do.
It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Ella, where's Miracle?
She's in her room.
In her room?
Yes.
Wow. Have you eaten?
Yes.
No?
Leave me alone. Just come, leave me alone. Shut up what? Wicked man. Shut up what?
What are you even doing here?
You, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? I owe you no explanation.
Really?
Yes, really. You are a very wicked man. You are heartless. You abandoned me with your unborn child. After saying I'm the barrier to your destiny, here you are, she's sporting with your friend. No roof over your head. And here you are, asking me questions. I owe you no explanation. Now, listen to me. This should be the very first and last time you lay your filthy hands on me. You should be ashamed of yourself. I said it. I said you should be ashamed of yourself. You are still under your friend's roof. You don't have to move over your head. Wicked man.
See, you see that person? That's it. You can go and enjoy yourself. This place is very nice.
Yeah,
very nice. The building is a very standard one.
Yeah.
Kpako. How are you? I was showing her around.
That's good.
Yes.
Please be nice to her.
Yes. Alright. You will enjoy this compound very well. There are a lot of things to this place. You understand? Now listen. Shut up your mouth. Listen to me. Behave yourself.
Behave yourself.
Come on, get out.
You are very wicked man.
Stay in your lane.
If you try to
maintain yourself.
I will give you pepper.
What is it?
Wicked man. Behave yourself.
Patrick.
Why are you crying? Talk to me. Who are you?
It's about my result.
What about your result?
I took third position.
That's why you're crying.
Yes, because my mommy will beat me.
So, what do you do now?
I don't know.
Don't worry, don't cry. I have an idea.
What I do?
I will give you my result. Then you give me yours.
But it's not that possible. How about the names?
Don't worry, bring me your result.
daddy and mom and say why
We are going to say it's the mistake of judiciary.
I should just no work.
So let's go.
Thank you. Ella.
Yeah?
We are playing.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Ella, I want to appreciate you for what you did for me. My mom was so happy when she saw my results.
Yeah, my sister. Your joy is my happy. And I always wanted you to be happy.
I love you.
I love you too. So let's be together.
I believe say you know who they talk. Share the money don complete. 30 million. Okay, good. See wetin go happen. I go send you location where you go carry the money go. Just listen, put your ear down. Now, when you don reach that God. Oh my God. Wahala, my phone don off. Huh? Which kind of problem be this one? Conscious say my village people now they work so. God. Yes. Be like say I go need that man make I fit use the phone make the call because now the only available option when the day begins. No time. Oga, I beg. I need your favor now, I beg.
Please hold on, I will get back to you. How may I help you?
They just come in and I say they rush our father go hospital. As me and they talk, make I feel know the hospital when they can't go now my phone off. I beg, I don't know whether if you give me your phone, make I call them so that I go feel know the hospital when they can't go.
Like you mean I should give you my phone to make call?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry bro, I don't think I can do that.
I beg, this one a matter of life and death. I no go take time. I beg. Now just to call them, make I know the hospital when they carry and go. I beg.
Okay. You can use this one. Yeah, what's up? Okay. Yeah.
So in 40 minutes time, I will be there. Anything after 40 minutes, anything when I see, if I not see the money, anything when I see, when I go manage am. And make sure say make you not call me back with this number because the phone go off.
I hope you tell the person not to call back because I don't like this.
No. I tell her say another person phone I use.
Okay, it's alright.
Thank you. Welcome.
Open that!
Hello, please open the gate.
Who you dey look for?
Please, is your boss in?
Yes. Why you dey find my oga?
Yeah, This is Nigeria police.
Jesus.
Yeah. Please want to see him.
Why you defend my gun?
Open the gate.
Open the gate now. What is going on there?
Jesus, thank you. Oh, Ghana police.
Police?
Police.
I wasn't. Please let them in.
No, Oga, I said a police.
Open the gate.
Jesus.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Welcome.
Are you Mr. Patrick?
Yeah, I'm Patrick.
I'm Inspector. This is my colleague.
Amos, sir.
Okay, so how may I help you?
Sir, you're under arrest for kidnapping of Mr. Akpot.
Kidnap?
Yes.
Like, I don't understand.
Kidnap? What am I hearing?
Please, sorry. You have every other right to this, sir. Whatsoever you do or say, you will get to.
Like, I still don't understand. What is going on? My man here, a kidnapper? Was it a mistake?
Let's get to the station. When we reach station.
Okay. Can I call my lawyer?
No, that is not necessary. Please follow the state of first.
It's okay. Oh, Miles, let me go with them. I'll soon be back.
No. I think I have to come with you, bro.
Okay, if that be the case, please take care of the house, okay?
Please, let's be going, sir. Please, let's go. Please open the gate. Hurry up.
I'm a You not go. I said don't go.
Let the kind of that go.
Don't
finish it. You know what people say? No, don't go.
Sure. I want to show. Hey, Ebube. Hey, Jesus. Hey, let me just see what you want to do. Ebube.
Ella. Amy. You both go to your room.
But Uncle, when is my dad coming back?
He will be back any moment.
Yes, don't worry, he'll be back before you know it, okay? Okay. Love you, baby.
So go to your room.
Now when they go release our car, I know say our car no be kidnapper. Our food don't eat the house like that again.
Don't worry, Dayo. He will be released any moment from now. Okay? So just be rest assured that he is in a safe hand. He will be released any moment.
Okay.
I beg you. May the bring my guy come back. I beg.
Like I said earlier, your car will be released any moment from now. Is that okay?
Because food don't finish for us. So food not good. The food don't finish. So okay.
Like I said, Oga will come back any moment from now. Now this is what you will do for me.
Okay, sir.
Because especially you, Dayo.
Okay, sir.
On no condition must you allow anybody into this compound except the person is a family member, okay? I got your duty post.
Oga, I beg, if I ask, when you go out, when you go travel,
get out. Come on, then. Let's sit down. I know this is not the right time to say this, but I have to say it. I know I have made you to go through a lot. I've made you to go through pains. But this is me saying I am sorry from the best part of my heart. Please forgive me.
You didn't talk about forgiveness. You talk about forgiveness. You left me and the unborn child we had together. I had to suffer. You don't know how many sleepless nights I had out there. Do you know when I had to hug for that child to eat? Do you know the humiliation I got from family? Do you know the humiliation and pain you caused me from friends? Are you here talking about forgiveness? It's just so easy for you men to walk out, come back and ask for forgiveness. You think it's easy? After all I've been through. After all you put me through, the shame, the humiliation, the sleepless night, the tears you caused me, you are here asking for forgiveness? It's just so easy for you to ask for forgiveness.
You know, it hurts me a lot seeing you cry. Please wipe your tears.
Sometimes I had to ask God, why me? What did I do? Am I the only sinner? What was my offense?
It's okay, it's okay. Remember the Bible said, to err is human.
Don't you dare talk about the Bible, you know nothing about love.
And to forgive is divine.
Don't you dare tell me about the Bible. You know nothing about affection. You knew nothing about pain. You don't know the tears. You don't know the humiliation.
I am sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry, if not for anything, but for the sake of our daughter. She need the best. I am sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't tire. You know the notice what they really want for this compound.
Wait, you don't know what they want for this copper. Oga wife, and that's a friend with madam. All the time for night. I feel they get yo. My brother, I don't tire. Since they arrest Oga, like this woman, and if Oga friend they go meet Oga for station again, every day night they did theirs. Every day, every night. See that they will catch a force me. You couldn't sleep now. Me, if I did that game, I would hear my brother, I don't tire for this company. Come here, now I'm going to do like say, me Oga no come back to jail again. That's that me marry Oga wife. I did tell you, that man don't like Oga. Even madam, you don't like anybody for this. That man, you know, say that man with the big belly, you never ask me one naira for that gate was. You never ask me 1 naira.
Say now, let me demand it. So even if the person go say me Oga roti for jail, so that when they marry wife, you're not supposed to be in.
You're not supposed to be madam.
One of us.
No, God forbid, madam. Madam, you know how many times madam don't slap me for this copper. Madam don't like me. Since when they see me, he go say, you this, they call me swell up a pig. Me. Madam don't like you. Make I forget. Now wish.
Close. Give me last week. Say make I wash.
Hey. Only night that madam say send me message. Only night.
Doom that man now. Na be the.
My brother, now you the cook.
Okay.
Now you the cook. Now that one are your own. Now you the cook. Now you get that one. Make it posh.
No. You don't need to talk. Go that place again.
You know what you do.
Maybe I know what it is.
You don't cook.
You are food. You trust me. I don't say for food not finish, but this is now bread when they give all those multi dress. As you may have, I just look at him and not give them anything again.
I beg you. If me and you talking, no dey for your life. I swear, no dey tell me say food don't fit appear. I flow to your party. I beg.
Which kind of sense come down?
No dey do it.
Food no dey there. I no go fit say.
You know dey tell me.
Oh yeah, leave here now.
No shout, no shout me, madam.
I won't shout Oga one of them now. Leave here now.
I say cut bread. Give me back my shop.
Oh yeah, leave here now.
Thank you.
But how come?
I was operating it suddenly, those guys spoiled.
So what do we do now?
I don't know, but my mom will beat me.
Don't worry. When moms come, I will tell her that I spoiled the TV.
But you know that is not true.
Don't worry. Let me be in the game because I don't think to talk to you.
Okay.
It's fine.
What's going on here? Ella! Mimi, where are you? Ella!
Mommy, what did you do?
Mimi!
No.
Come. Who amongst you tampered with the telly?
Mom, I spoiled the telly.
Mom, I spoiled the telly. How?
I was operating the telly, so it got spoiled immediately.
It got spoiled immediately. You just spoiled the telly like that. You are telling me it got spoiled immediately. No what? No what? Eh?
No, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? So is it your sorry that will fix the telly?
No.
Is your sorry now? No. Is it your sorry? Is your sorry that will fix it? Come on, is it your? Is it?
No.
Eh? All the time you'll be spoiling everything in the house. You come on, live here. Baby, come back here. I said, come back here. My friend, you are very funny. Let me call you back, please. Where is this bad smell coming from? What is her smelling? Where is this smell coming from? Why is everywhere smelling? It's not here. What's going on? Where is this smell coming from?
I think they are bad at my friend.
Yes.
Have you seen her?
No.
Where is this bad odor coming from? Mimi!
Ma!
Ella!
Yes.
Yes? Who messed up that toilet?
Oh, mommy, I messed it up.
Mommy, I messed it up. So it's me that flushed it for you, Abby? I can see you are jobless in this house. That's why you are making me to shout like a mad woman. Eh? The neighbors will think I am losing my senses. What's your problem? Why are you stressing me? What is it? I can see you are jobless in this house.
But Mama, my father...
Shut up! If you say one more word, I will give you a dirty slap. I can tell it in my father's house. Don't worry. I will give you what will choke you for this house. I'm coming for you.
My father says
if you eat one more word from you, I will slap the living hell out of you. I'm coming for you, don't worry.
If you can do it, give somebody.
What do you like?
I beg you for God.
They will beat you. I'm not
Every day, chatting. It's only that it's inside the compound. I beg you, remember what I told you. I beg every time, just give you somebody work in here. In my own father's house, why would she beat you?
Why you go? Like,
so I need to.
You be stressing me, making me shout like a mad woman. You see, every single dent in here, you wash them thoroughly. Mommy. You see the white? Concentrate on the armpit and the neck. Mommy, what? Quiet before I slap the living hair out of your teeth. You, since I cannot have peace, you will not have peace. Since you are jobless in this house, make sure you wash them thoroughly. Failure to do that, you see the other side of me. Try me and see. Damn me in this house, you see what I'll do to you.
How does you know that now you want to wash too many? How can you finish all this many clothes?
Any fucking clothes.
Why you go? Ella, the one I lost. The hand I swore to implore. I gave them bread, I gave them trust. Now my daughter run from dust. I know guilt, but they chain my name. Innocent tears, they fall like rain. As I sit behind this wicked gate, them carry Ella, she no know how to face. I'll be the child you left behind, lost in a world that know they kind. Them change my name, but not my cry. I ask the sky, now who go tell me why? I'll be the star that pain designed, a burning fire they can't confine. From Papa's tears I rise again. Ella, born from sorrow, walking flame. I hear whispers in my dreams, voices buried under screams. Adopted name, adopted lies, but truth they burn from my inside. I know if you forget that day, them drag you like the thief. But you know still you just give help, yet your good day hang you like bell. I'll be the child you left behind, lost in a world I know they kind. Them change my name, but not my cry. I ask the sky, now who go tell me why? I'll be the one that I found a voice. In broken things, I found my choice. From Papa's chains, I rise again. Ella, born from sorrow, walking flame.
Why are you dragging me to a game?
Oh my God, that's what you
Who sent you down?
How come so?
I beg. Always send you this. What is that? What's going on? Who broke the glass? Ma, who broke this glass?
I thought that the glass
All the time you be like cartoon. Is she that broke the glass? You again! Is this? You again! You! Come back here! Come back here! Come back here!
Why you go, Ella? The one I lost, the one I swore to protect. My good deed and now my curse. The hands I held now draw my blood. I gave them bread, I gave them trust. Now my daughter run from dust. I know kill, but they chain my name. Innocent tears, they fall like rain. As I see behind this wicked gate, them carry Ella, she no know her fate. I'll be the child you left behind, lost in a world that know the kind. Them change my name, but not my cry. I ask the sky, now who go tell me why? I'll be the star that pain designed, a burning fire they can't confine. From Papa's tears I rise again, Ella born from sorrow, walking flame. I hear whispers in my dreams, voices buried under screams. Adopted name, adopted lies, but truth did burn for my inside. I know if we forget that day, them drag you like a thief we stray. But you know still, you just gave help. Yet you're good, they hang you like a dead. I'd be the child you left behind, lost in a world that know the kind. Them change my name, but not my cry. I ask the sky, now who could tell me why? I'd be the wound that found a voice. In broken things I found my choice. From Papa's chains I rise again. Hella born from sorrow, walking flame.
Doctor, how is her condition?
Well, our condition is very critical. But we'll try our best.
Okay, doctor. Just try your best to save her.
Like I said, I will try my best. Excuse me.
Ebube. How far come now? Na me.
Wait, now you gonna knock my door?
How far come now? Me.
Come, wait now.
How far now? Sure. I never see Ella for the copper system. Me Ella.
Now you they ask me that thing. They talk like you know they the compound.
I did the copper.
You was know yet. See waiting. When Ella they miss since night, they ask me say, Ella they miss and now you be secret man. No, be you are supposed to ask that question.
No, be you the enter inside the main house. No, all the time before. And the enter inside the main house. No, be you the enter.
You want to say you never know about this our new madam now do it they marry Ella for the compound.
But that one no be. As you no call the say again, you say you go quiet. Eh?
Ella don't miss so. Last week here, this is our new madam back close. Where we say he can't give small pikin 9 years old say may wash. If not be me, where help her for processing of the washing of the clothes.
Hey, Jesus. Hey, Jesus. Wait, we are going. Ella dey miss.
See, Ella don't miss so.
Oga go come sack me so I don't tear.
Oga go don sack you for don run comot. See, you dey miss.
How far you don't cook so that make her face show you don't cook. So that make her show. I don't need show you that thing. Make her for show. You don't cook.
Wait to this boy. Wetin dey ground now wey person never know where e stand for now the food matter na that food process na be your problem.
So make I chop go find.
Make you go chop wetin? Abeg leave here now. Leave here now. Madam o, this boy come for food again o.
What have I gotten myself into? Eh? What? Hey God. Ella, please, wherever you are, if you can hear me, please come back. I will not touch you again. I will not touch you. It's just the devil's handwork. I don't know what pushed me. Ella, please come back. Oh no, man. You too the face. You too get a guy issue. Oh no, man. This man is kind to you. Now look at what you have done now. Ella, if you can hear me, please come back. Please. I will not touch you again. In fact, I will never touch you again in this life. Please. God, please protect Ella for me. God, I beg. I don't even know what to tell the father.
Mommy, yes,
My darling.
How are you crying?
No, I'm not crying. Your mommy is perfectly fine. I'm not crying. I'm just talking to God Almighty in prayer. I'm just praying, thanking God for life. I'm not crying, okay? Ella is fine. Ella will soon be back. See, Ella can hear you now. Don't say, my darling. Ella will come back. Ella is perfectly fine, okay? She'll come back. Don't worry. Don't worry, she'll come back. My princess. My princess. Yeah, smile for mommy. My princess. Smile for mommy. Yeah, put your on. I'll join you soon, okay? Put your on. I love you. Remove this car, maybe I make only get the day I just spirit entirely.
Ella, where are you going to?
I don't know. I just want to go.
Ella, please. Please don't go. Please. Please stay with me. Please don't go. Never go. Please don't go.
I can't bear this anymore. I just want to eat it. I just have to go for you.
Please don't say like that. Let's go. Remember the play we have been playing together. Please. Don't go.
She has wake. Daughter! Daughter! She has wake. Thank God. Thank you.
Where's my daddy? Daddy?
Don't worry, calm down. Your daddy is coming.
Yeah, I told you we will do our best. Have some rest. Let her rest a little bit.
Thank you, God. Oh.
Why you go? Ella, the one I lost. The hand I swore to implore. I gave them bread, I gave them trust. Now my daughter run from dust. I know guilt, but they chain my name. Innocent tears, they fall like rain. As I sit behind this wicked gate.
This is not my daddy's house. Daddy!
Lost in a world that know they kind. Them change my name, but not my kind. Now go tell me why. I be the star, can't decide.
Daddy! Where are you? Daddy! Daddy!
I hear whispers in my dreams.
Daddy!
See, this time, I'm not going to kill you. What you saw there is just money. I'm a Christian. Don't worry. Free your mind. You can go and sleep. Yeah? Go, free your mind.
Ha Kiki Maki! Ha Kiki Maki! Ha Kiki Maki! The God that gives words to his children. I greet you. Ha Kiki Maki! Ha Kiki Maki! Ha Kiki Maki! The Lord that gives words to his children. Your wish is my command.
Oh my God. Where will I get this virgin girl from this time around? After sacrifice, 16 to 20 virgin girls, Akikere still need more from me. It's impossible. Where will I get a virgin girl from? Is how I go to end up my life?
Good afternoon, Uncle.
Afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Uncle, I'm missing my dad. I'm glad that you're taking me to him.
Okay, let me see how today will go. I will take you to your daddy. No, yeah, you can go back and watch your film. No?
Or should I use this girl? Oh my God. I think this is the only option for me. Ma.
Little girl, I don't wish to do this, but I must do it. I can't lose my life for Kiriki. I must do it. I'm very sorry. Little girl, get what you want to. Little girl! Where is this little girl? Where is this little girl? I have 2 minutes left. Little girl, wait! Akiriki! Oh, Akiriki!
Jesus. What is it? Who is pursuing you?
Save me.
I should save you. Oh yeah, calm down, calm down. Who wants to kill you? Oh yeah, calm down, calm down. Talk to me. Who is your father and where are you from?
I'm from Okpogoro Street.
Okpogoro Street. I think I know that place. Okay, if I should take you there now, do you know your house very well?
Yes, ma.
Okay.
Yes, I know
Oh yeah, calm down. Come with me, okay? Don't run, no. Calm down.
Where is this stupid boy? This ugly child of mine? Everywhere! Everywhere! I saw you come out here! Where you? Come here, my friend!
Wait, stop. Wait here.
You don't remember what happened? Why is that toilet still messed up? Huh?
Wait, now that toilet make you dey call me. Now that every day go shit, you go see na me go dey.
So you want to tell me now that that's not enough reason to...
Madam, hold it there.
You say what?
That one I no sense now. Why go say ma flush that toilet? Ma that thing dey smell na.
Which one is that thing is smelling? So if I give you instruction in this house, so you are not the oga of this house, Abi? As I be madam now, you are not the oga. Abi?
Madam, make I tell you, all those nonsense wey they do for this house here, they don't do for you. Now so you pack clothes, give me that, they say make I wash for you. Even though your part, your skeleton, I mean they wash everything. No. Hold it there.
Are you talking back at me?
Yes.
Are you in any way talking back at me?
Yes.
How dare you?
Please, hold it there. See, today, it don't finish for you. Today, I go make sure say, I don't finish for this house. If you say me na die or get mad, where go the tolerate nonsense with I go show you today. It be like say to that thing house. Now to burn this house. I end your life. Today, it don't finish for you. Wait for me.
You're talking to me, Abi.
I go make sure say, I bought this house to achieve today. This house I go must burn at achieve today. Be like say this woman dey use me take dey play. Every day. Now so nonsense. Now we dey sleep for this house. Today I go make sure say this house I burn am for achieve so that with the wishes and the inside where they. What is the water? Now leave me alone. Me and you get business. Now we don't get some. Now I go kill you. Dayo. Listen, me and you get business. Dayo, I don't buy some. I don't buy. Dayo, for you. Dayo, for you. I bought this house. You know how it's called them. I go kill you.
meaning of this? And Dayo, why do you need the gate open?
You're the one for your house before.
What?
See. I don't understand. Okay. As you, now God make you come. If not be because of God, not getting like this now, this is your house. I won't go now to arches for me. Everybody talk for this. Shut up! You look what that's what they talk.
What happened?
Since 2 weeks we be saying you don't come out for this house like this now. Now so this your new madam they maltreat everybody. Even though me when they cook they go they cut egg they give me. Even though get man on the sleep nobody. Even though fly no go fit pass this scope I no go get peace.
Okay, it's okay. Where is Ella?
Oh guys I dey talk to you like this now. If not be because of Ogene, 2 weeks now Ella don't leave this house we will not see him again.
What? Come on, put it up. Sis, open the door.
I know they take close to that body go so close to you. Thank God you are back.
Where is Ella?
Ella.
Where is Ella?
Party.
Ella. Look at Ella.
Forgive me. Ella. I'm so sorry.
Jennifer.
What's free?
What are you doing here? And how do you meet with my daughter?
Dad, she's the auntie that saved my life.
Ella. She's not auntie. Jennifer is your mother.
What? You mean Ella here is my daughter?
Yes, that is the girl you abandoned.
Please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I was just selfish. Please forgive me. Ella, come, my daughter, come. Come to mommy. Please, I'm sorry.
And for you, Onomen, after all I've done for you.
Yeah.
So this is how you choose to pay me back?
No, it was the devil from the east. It was the devil from my village. I'm sorry, please, just forgive me, please.
You have done more than enough.
Sorry.
Just go in there, pack all your belongings, and leave my house.
Patrick, it hasn't got into that. Onomen here is my wife.
What do you mean?
You remember I told you the other time, some time ago, that there is a girl I impregnated. That's Onomen. Mimi here is my daughter.
Yes, my darling. Yes, he's your father. I'm sorry.
I ain't dreaming or what? What is happening?
I'm sorry. Ella, please. Ella, please. I'm sorry for all the pain I caused you and your father. Please,
Dad,
I'm sorry.
It's not her fault. I took all the blame on Mimi. Mimi has been responsible for the things that will happen in this house.
What?
Mommy,
I just want to take the blame for her.
Yeah. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I'm so sorry I maltreated you. I'm sorry for all the pain I've caused this family. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
It's alright. I love every one of you as family. Let there be peace in the house. Jennifer.
Thank you for accepting me back.
I thank God for my release. I was arrested for a crime I know nothing about. There was this guy I helped with my phone.
I believe say you know who they talk. Share the money don't complete. 30 million. Okay, good. See what go happen. I go send you location when you go carry the money go. Just listen, put your ear down. Now, when you don't reach that, come. Oh my God. My phone go off. Huh? Which kind of problem with this one? Don't you see my village people now they work so? God. Yes. Be like say I go need that man make I fit use the phone make the call because now the only available option when the day begins.
But truth they burn from my inside. I know if forget that day, then drag you like a thief way stray. But you know still you just give help. Yeah,
Beg, I need your favor now, beg.
Please hold on, I will get back to you. How may I help you?
They just come in and say they rush our father go hospital. As me and they talk, make I feel know the hospital when they cannot go my phone off. I beg, I don't know whether if you give me your phone, make I call them so that I go feel know the hospital when they cannot go.
Like you mean I should give you my phone to make call?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry bro, I don't think I can do that.
I beg, this one a matter of life and death. I no go take time, I beg. Now just to call them, make I know the hospital when they cannot go, I beg.
Okay. You can use this one.
I wasn't aware that the guy was a kidnapper. He used my phone to call the family of the victim they kidnapped and collect ransom from them. That was how my phone was being tracked.
What's up? Okay. Yeah.
So in 40 minutes time, I will be there. Anything after 40 minutes, anything wanna see, if I not see the money, anything wanna see, when I will manage them. And make sure say make you not call me back with this number because the phone go off.
But I thank God, at the end of everything, the truth prevailed, and the main victim was gotten arrested.
Let's go inside.
Let's go and pop champagne.
Okay, when I wait first. Oh yeah, come my back.
Catarata, now husband and wife. Oh, life is sweet. You're welcome, my brother.
Why you go? Ella, the one I lost. The hand I swore to blood. I gave them bread, I gave them trust. Now my door